Welcome back to the new session of political science class. In previous classes, we are discussing or we are dealing a fourth chapter of political science, gender, religion, and caste. And so far, we are discussing about the two topics, which are the gender and politics, religion, communalism, and politics. And one is a negative aspect of society, and another one is a positive aspect of society. Gender and politics is one of the positive aspect of society. And this class, I'm coming with a new topic, and the last topic, caste and politics. And this is also one of the important topic related to this chapter, caste and politics. We have seen two instances of expression of social division in the arena of politics. One largely positive and other one is largely negative. What do you mean by caste inequality? Unlike gender and religion, caste division is special to India. In most societies, occupations are passed on from one generation to another. Caste system was based on the exclusion and discrimination against outcast group. Partly due to their effort and partly due to their socio-economic changes, caste and caste system in modern India have undergone great changes. Now we can find that the caste system is not in a largely privileged in our society. What are the reasons behind these changes? Large-scale urbanization, the growth of literacy and education, occupational mobility, and the old notions of the caste hierarchy are coming down. Now, most of the times in urban area, it does not matter who is walking alone, the next to us on the street, or eating at the next table in a restaurant. But in all times, we know that the caste system was very ridden in our society, and the people are based or classified on the basis of their caste, and they were discriminated. In the upcoming Constitution of India, Article 17 of the Indian Constitution says that abolition of untouchability, and we find the equality in all fields. Yet the caste has not disappearing from the contemporary India. Some of the older aspect of caste has persisted. In some areas, the caste system has very ridden in now or these times. Effects of centuries of advantage and disadvantage continue to be felt today. Caste in politics. There are mainly two topics or subtopics we are going to discussing in this session: caste in politics and politics in caste. As in the case of communalism, casteism is rooted in a belief that caste is the basis of social community. A behavior in which inspires the high caste people to hate the lower caste people is called casteism. It's very important. Caste is one aspect of our experience, but it is not only relevant or the most important aspect. Caste can take various forms in politics. And noted that, first one, when governments are formed, political parties usually take care that representative of different castes and tribes find a place in it. Second, political parties and candidate in election make appeal to caste sentiment to muster support. And last, universal adult franchise and principle of one person, one vote compel political leaders to gear up the task for mobilizing and securing the political support, a vote bank. Thus, it is not politics that get caste ridden. Thus, it is not politics that get caste ridden. It is caste that get politicized. It's very important. It is a caste that get politicized. Politics in caste. And this takes several forms, politics in caste. Each group tries to become bigger by incorporating within its neighboring caste or subcaste, with which were earlier excluded from it. And second, various caste groups are required to enter into a dialogue and negotiation, and new kind of caste groups have come up in the political arena, like backward and forward caste groups. These are the major points dealing the third topic, caste and politics. Students, please note there are mainly two topics, subtopic are discussed: politics in caste and politics. Politics in caste, caste in politics. These are the major subtopics dealing in this session. So we completed our fourth chapter of political science, gender, religion, and caste. And so far we in this chapter discussed three major topics: gender and politics, religion, communalism and politics, caste and politics. Students, keep read your textbooks and go through each and every point of the textbooks. It's very important, and make the one word questions and multiple choice question on that basis. It's very important. So I'm going to wind up this session. Keep read your textbooks and do your workbook question very carefully. Thank you all.